Hello guys, this is Mahdia. In this part, we want to review what browsers are and what their functions are. Let's talk about browsers. Look guys, different files in the computer world have a different format. For example, the music file format is .mp3. When you look at the music stored on the computer, you will see the .mp3. Video files have a different format, one of which is .mp4. And electronic books are in .pdf format. The pictures have a different formats, one of which is .jpg and the other is .png. In summary, all the files we work with have their own format. Word and compressed file have their own formats. Now we want to see what formats HTML documents have. HTML documents are in .html or .htm format. So which of these formats we have seen is correct. CSS files are also in .css format. Look here for a moment. I have various files on my computer. For example, there is a photo in .jpg file format and the item type of which is written as .jpg file. So it's an image file. And we have an ebook that writes Adobe Acrobat document in front of the item type, which means it's a PDF file. We have a song in .mp3 format and a video file with .mp4 item type and HTML file with .html and also a CSS file in .css format. Let's go back to the slides to give the rest of the explanation. Now that we understand that each file has its own format, we will check with which software each file is run. Look guys, when we want to listen to a song on our laptop, we play it with its own software, like media player. And we open PDF file with Adobe Reader and blah blah blah. So each file with its own software it runs. What are HTML documents open with? Well done. They run with browsers. What is browser? There is a software whose duty is to interpret our codes and show us the graphic appearance of the site. That is, the browser reads and interprets our codes and show us the site based on the codes we wrote. So what is the role of browser? Interpret the codes and show us the result. Famous browsers such as Chrome, which is made by Google, or Firefox, which is made by Mozilla, Internet Explorer, which is made by Microsoft, and Opera, which is made by Opera, and also Safari, which is made by Apple. Let's go to the next slide. HTML documents can be opened in two ways. 1. by browsers. 2. By text editors. The role of the browsers is to interpret our codes. But when we want to change the code of the site, for example, to delete a line or add a code to it, we edit that file by using these softwares and make change. We can open HTML documents with a notepad which is installed by default on Windows. I will talk about editors in the next session. Have a nice day and bye bye.